Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily copy a link from YouTube and paste it into your Instagram bio. This is a great way to share your favorite videos, a product link, or anything you want your followers to check out directly. So, let's get started. Step 1. Let's start by copying the link from the YouTube app. Here's how you do it. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Search for the video you want to share. Once you find the video, tap to open it. Now, tap on the Share button below the video. Finally, click on Copy Link, and the link will be copied to your clipboard, ready to paste. Step 2. Now, let's move over to Instagram to paste the link in your bio. Open the Instagram app, and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the Edit Profile button. Scroll down and tap on the Links option. Next, tap on Add External Link. Now, paste the YouTube link you copied earlier into the URL field. Give the link a title, like YouTube video, or something that describes it. Once that's done, tap the check mark at the top right corner. And that's it. Now, anyone who visits your Instagram profile will be able to click on the link you added directly in your bio, and it will take them to the YouTube video or whatever you've linked. Thanks for watching. It's that easy to add a link to your Instagram bio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.